Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to merge duplicate contacts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To merge duplicate contacts in Salesforce, you can use the built-in duplicate management tools or manual merging through the contact record view. So to do it, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Salesforce app, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, navigate to the Contacts tab, then search for duplicate contact records, then select the check boxes next to the duplicate up to 3 at a time, then click the Merge Contacts button that appears. If you don't see the merge option, make sure you are in the list view, not recently viewed, and have permission to merge. Then choose the primary contact, the one that will remain after the merge, then select the data you want to retain from each contact, and once done, click on next, then merge. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.